Hi everybody, welcome to Kingston Library's Virtual Steampunk Club. My name is Leanne, thank you for joining me. We are going to make Oobleck. If you haven't made Oobleck before, it's super easy, super fun and very sticky. So you need 2 ingredients. You need water and you need corn flour or cornstarch. So you most likely have this in your pantry. If you don't, you can just grab some from the supermarket. You may also add some food colouring if you wish, but it's non-essential. You'll need a bowl to do the mixing and playing in, and some measuring cups. And I'm going to use a spoon to mix it all together. So Oobleck is neither a liquid or a solid. It's what's known as a non-Newtonian fluid. Its viscosity is a measure of fluid's resistance to flow, can change under force to either be more liquid or more solid. An example is tomato sauce or ketchup. When you pour it straight from the bottle, it's usually runny and liquidy, whereas if you give it a shake, it's thicker. So let's make Oobleck. So I'm going to do 1 cup of corn flour into the bowl, like so. Oops. And then I'm going to do 1/2 cup of water. You might need to mix with the measurements a little bit, find what works for you. I'm going to do a drop of food colouring. There we go. And now mix. Give it a mix. Might need a little bit more corn flour. Oh, starting to resist. Here we go. Oh wow. So, time to get my hands dirty. So I'm going to pick it up. It just runs through my fingers. I'm going to actually add, oh, there it goes. Add a little bit more corn flour. Oh, it's quite a lot. Oh, now it's getting very sticky. Almost instantly the change. There we go. A little bit more. So here you can see it's a solid in my hand, and then it just runs off my fingers. Grab some more, make it into a ball, putting pressure on it, it turns into a ball, and then take the pressure off, and it just runs through my fingers. It's so much fun. Enjoy making some Oobleck. And just remember, when you're doing cleanup, make sure you use lots of warm water to wash it down the drain. Alternatively, even better, is let it sit overnight for 24 hours and it will harden up, and you can break it out of your bowl and pop it in the green garden bin. Have fun. Bye for now.